Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a BMW X5 grille. First, let's prepare by gathering a few simple tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, ideally wrapped in tape to protect your vehicle's finish, or a plastic trim pry tool. Having a clean, well-lit workspace is also important. Begin by opening your BMW X5's hood, which provides direct access to the grille's retaining clips. With the hood open, you'll see the back of the kidney grilles. Focus on the top edge of each grille, where you'll find 3 retaining clips. Using your taped screwdriver or pry tool, gently depress each of these clips. As you release them, apply a small amount of outward pressure on the grille itself. This helps ensure the clips don't re-engage, making the next steps much smoother. After releasing the top clips, shift your attention to the sides of the grille. You'll typically find 1 or 2 clips on each side. Gently depress these with your tool. Next, carefully work your way to the bottom of the grille, where there are usually 3 more retaining tabs. Continue to apply gentle outward pressure on the grille as you release these, ensuring all clips are disengaged before proceeding. Once all the clips are released, gently pull the entire grille straight out from the bumper. Be mindful if your X5 has a front camera or other sensors attached to the grille. Carefully disconnect any wiring before fully removing it. Take a moment to clean the area behind the grille. To install a new grille, simply align it and push firmly until all the clips audibly snap into their respective positions, securing it in place.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.